Well, happy Memorial Day, and thanks for checking out Creative License. Hi, I'm Bill Herman, and thanks for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Thanks again for being so kind to my sponsors like Electro Voice and Promo Only, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience, which has one coming up in November. There's a very limited amount of seats, so if you want to know more about it, just reach out to me in some sort of a private message. So Memorial Day weekend, huh? Another 3-day weekend, but this was kind of special, this one, because we weren't locked inside of our houses, right? I know there's a lot of DJs out there working, and that's good. Some of you are still waiting to work, and that's fine, but it's on its way back, right? It's just great, right? I mean, summer's about to start, our first real 3-day weekend in a while. But have you given thought yet to Memorial Day and what Memorial Day really is? I mean, we take advantage of that 3-day weekend. We use it to spend time with our families and things like that. But I guess what I would like to do today is to ask you to give some thought to Memorial Day. Memorial Day years ago started off as Decoration Day. And Decoration Day was, it was designed for people to go to the graveyards of our fallen soldiers and decorate the gravestones and the graveyards in honor of those men and women. Then, of course, became Memorial Day, and that's what it's about. It's about our fallen heroes, those men and women that gave their lives in the military for us so that we can live in a world, we can live in a country where we can have the freedoms to do whatever we want. I mean, there's probably a lot of places in the world where you can't necessarily choose that you can be and do and have whatever you want. We are free in this country because of the sacrifices that men and women like the people we're honoring today gave. I mean, they gave the ultimate sacrifice. They gave their lives, so that we could live in a free society. Another society, maybe I wouldn't have been able to be an artist or an actor. Maybe I wouldn't have been able to find enough money or be able to have a good enough business to be able to take care of my family, to have a home, to have a yard, to have the things that I want. This is a great country, and we're lucky. We're very lucky that we have the freedoms that we do have. And if not for those men and women that gave their lives to help build this country all the way back to the Revolutionary War, we wouldn't have that. So I guess one day a year, I don't think is too big of a thing to ask you to take a second and think about those people, to look up what Memorial Day really is, to find out what it means to other people, to reach into your family past and history and ask those men and women in your family about the service that they may have given to their country in the military. My grandfather and my father were both military men. My grandfather's passed now. He was in World War II. My father in Vietnam. My uncle was in the Navy. He was a lifer. He's still with us, and he retired from the Navy. My other uncle in the Army. These people sacrifice themselves, their own freedoms, their own bodies and hearts, so that you can have the life that you have in this country. Yeah, we're DJs, and it's fun. And when we think about that is fun, and think about being grateful for it, there are people you can thank. And today, on Memorial Day, I wish you would think about those men and women that gave the actual ultimate sacrifice, their lives, in service of a country, in service of an idea. America was started from an idea. It's Memorial Day. I hope you have a great Memorial Day. And I hope that you memorialize those people some way. Can you do that for me? I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.